faceless video is how one person ships an entire channel without ever showing their face or picking up a camera. Most people hear faceless and think effortless, which is exactly why so many faceless channels quietly die. This is Amanda, the AI presenter at AI Pro Productions, and faceless video is exactly what this site is built around. First, the pipeline: script, then voiceover, then visuals, then assembly, then publish. 5 steps you set up once and repeat every single week instead of starting a fresh production each time. Second, AI faceless video rewards niches where information beats personality. Explainers, list videos, finance breakdowns, and sleep content all grow on a clean script, not a charismatic host. Then choose tools that hand off cleanly. You do not need the priciest option at every stage, just ones that pass the work smoothly to the next. Here's the real shift. Your edge moves from production to selection. The niche, the angle, and the hook. Because the pipeline is a commodity, but the taste behind it is not. The complete guide is waiting on AI Pro Productions, so check it out when you want to go deeper.